Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel in Everyday Vlog. So, wala pa akong update sa video ko kasi, stress. So, I don't have any video yet. So, eto ako, I'm just gonna eat. So, I'm counting down the days before my birthday. Even it's not that exciting. Wala. I have nothing to do on my birthday, just at home. So guys, let's eat. Last night or this morning, I drink stress tabs, and then after an hour, I drink. It's like sleeping pills, so I can sleep. I'm alone at home because the freaking friends are not here. So, wala lang, ako lang mag-isa dito. Kain tayo guys. Pata. I don't even cook. I just bought it outside. Yummy. It's too many for me. I can't finish it. You know guys, I've been trying not to think everything. But guys, I'm trying to skip all the problems. I'm trying to fix all of it. But, if you get a problem, you get a problem. It needs to be done. So I just smile, confident. When I go to work, even I don't want to smile, I smile, I laugh, I join with my friends. Especially the two freaking friends are not there because they have a side job. So, I'm alone. But anyway, I have many friends there, but compared to them, the two freaking friends of mine here at home, they're not the same. I don't have anybody here to share mine. No. Because here, guys, if we get a problem, the three of us, whoever got a problem, we can talk. Then share, something like that. And then, it's different to the friends outside. Yeah. You know what I mean, guys? But it's fine. The life must go on. It's just a little problem. I wish everything will be fine. Yummy. Guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button para updated ka sa lahat ng mga videos ko. So, I think tomorrow I'm gonna make another video. It's supposed to be another day, another vlog. But, guys, I don't feel like I'm gonna do a video every day, especially the situation now. But, it will be fine. I will make a video for you guys. So guys, I need to stop this video because I'm going to shower, I'm going to work. So please, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so you can get a notification for my new vlog. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for my 770 plus subscribers and more. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog. Bye.